Okay, today we're going to talk about multiplying binomials. A binomial is a polynomial which has two terms. An example of a binomial would be like x plus 5. What we're going to do is we're going to take a binomial, we're going to multiply it by another binomial. So we're going to take x plus 5 and let's multiply that by x plus 5. Well, in order to do this, in order to multiply two binomials, you have to use something called the FOIL method. FOIL method, spelled F-O-I-L, it has certain words that go with each letter. So for F, F stands for multiplying the first terms of the two binomials. So F stands for the first terms. You would multiply x and x to get x squared, which in this case the outside terms are going to be x and 5, which give you 5x. Stands for the inside terms. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply the inside terms, which would be the 5 and the x. So you get 5x. The L stands for the last terms. So for the L, you're going to add, or you're going to multiply the 5 and the 5, which gives you 25. Once we've gotten this multiplication done, all we have to do is add like terms. So we get x squared plus, combine the 5x and the 5x, that's 10x, plus 25. And this would be our answer to multiplying these two binomials together. Let's look at another example. Let's say we multiply x plus 3. Let's say we multiply x plus 3 with x plus 2. Well, when you multiply these two things together, again, you're going to use the FOIL method. FOIL standing for the first terms in each thing. So the first terms would be x and x. X times x, remember this is from the exponent properties. Same bases being multiplied, you add the exponents. So you get x squared. Then what you want to do is you want to do the O. The O stands for the outside terms. In this case, the outside terms are the two on the very outside of the whole thing, which would be x and 2. So you take x times 2 and you get 2x's. I stands for the inside terms. The inside terms in this case are 3 and x. So you take 3 times x and you get 3x. L stands for the last terms. In this case is 3 and 2. So what you're going to do is multiply the 3 and the 2, and that gives you 6. Now again, we've done the FOIL method at this point. All we have to do is combine like terms. Well, the only like terms are 2x and 3x, so we just combine those together. We get x squared plus 5x plus 6. And this is our answer to the FOIL method in multiplying binomials. We're going to multiply together x plus 4 and x plus 3. Both are binomials because they have two monomials. Using the FOIL method, we're going to multiply the first two terms. X times x, remember your exponent properties, they have the same base, so you take their powers, 1 and 1, add them together, you get x squared. The O stands for the outside terms. Outside term being x and 3. Multiply the x times the 3 and you're going to get 3x. I stands for the inside terms. The inside terms being 4 and x. Take 4 times x and that's going to give you 4x. L meaning the last terms. So you're going to take 4, which is the last term in this binomial, and 3, which is the last term in that binomial. 4 times 3 gives you 12. at this point you've done the FOIL method. All you have to do is combine like terms. X squared, 3x and 4x gives you 7x's plus 12. And this is the FOIL method